Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes, you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.
Taking New Wave, the orangey yellow.
Never let you go. Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight.
On my Zulu palette by the Juvia's Place.
You should know that I miss you.
I'm taking Destiny. I don't necessarily like that green. So on the Norvina palette, Lord, the intensity of this. I took this color and right now I look like a clown, but it's gonna come together.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee.
The brush again, the orange in the Zulu palette that I used before.
Every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place.
I'm gonna take the Outshine highlighter from Rare.
That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
Now, in the stone, Urban Decay Stone, I'm taking Jade. I'm taking the Anastasia palette, taking Destiny again.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Jade.
Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping
And on stone again, I'm taking Tiger Eye.
I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
do have a cat eye. Yo.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Momentum.
Most of this night, come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
The Zulu orange for underneath my eyes. This is the finished look. Oh shoot. That's the finished look. I'm not putting lashes on. I don't feel like fooling with it. And I gotta get ready to go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you guys on the next video.